If you're seeing X or Twitter response error 34 and you keep getting the message saying sorry, that page does not exist. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error can look scary, but in most cases, it's caused by a deleted post, a private or suspended account, a browser issue, a bad cache, a conflicting extension, a network block, or even a temporary rate limit. So stay with me, because we're going to go through the fastest fixes first and work our way down to the more advanced ones. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it helps you find more troubleshooting videos when you need them. First, let's understand what error 34 usually means. If the tweet, post, or profile you're trying to open no longer exists, X may show this error because the content has been deleted. If the account is private or suspended, you may also see the same message. But if you know the page should still be there, then the issue is often on your side, and that's what we're fixing now. The first thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted site data can cause X to load old information or fail to connect properly. On Windows, open your browser and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This opens the browsing data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once it finishes, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to X and check if the page now loads correctly. If the error is still there, the next step is to test in an incognito or private window. This is a very important step because it helps you figure out whether the problem is caused by an extension, save cookies, or browser settings. To do this, open a private window using Ctrl, Shift, and N on Chrome or Edge, or Command, Shift, and P on Firefox. Then log into X and try opening the same page again. If the page works in private mode, then the problem is likely one of your browser extensions. In that case, go back to normal mode and disable your extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or anything that changes how websites load. Now let's check for network or IP blocks. Sometimes X may restrict requests from certain VPNs, networks, or IP addresses. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and try again. If that doesn't help, switch to a different VPN server location and retest. If you are not using a VPN, try another network entirely, such as mobile data or a hotspot from your phone. This can quickly tell you whether your normal internet connection is being blocked or filtered in some way. Another thing to keep in mind is rate limiting. In some cases, error 34 can behave like a hidden limit when the platform thinks too many actions are happening too quickly. If you've been following, unfollowing, liking, or refreshing pages a lot, X may temporarily restrict access. The best fix here is simple. Log out of your account, stop heavy activity, and wait at least 24 hours before trying again. After the wait, log back in and test the page again. A lot of users find that this resolves the issue on its own. If you're still stuck after all of that, the final thing to consider is whether the content itself is actually gone. Open the same link in a different browser or ask someone else to check it from their device. If they get the same error, then the tweet, profile, or page was probably deleted, made private, or suspended. In that case, there may be nothing to repair on your device because the issue is with the content on X itself. So to recap, the best fixes for X or Twitter error 34 are clearing cache and cookies, testing in incognito mode, disabling conflicting extensions, checking your VPN or network, and waiting out any temporary rate limit. Work through the steps in order, and in most cases, you'll get the page loading again, or at least confirm that the content is no longer available. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, browser fixes, and social media troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.